Welcome to Hobby Lobby. While we take a walk through the store today, I wanted to show you some of my favorite parts of the store and maybe even some fun facts about crafting and, of course, information on Hobby Lobby. Did you know Hobby Lobby was actually started by David Green? Well, in 1970, he was a former craft store manager, and he took a $600 loan in 1970, started making frames out of his garage in Oklahoma, and then in 1972, the first official Hobby Lobby store opened in Oklahoma City. Can you believe how large it was? Only 300 square feet. Yes, my friends, this beautiful, large chain store started with just an inspiration and a love for crafting in a very small place. Well, we're looking at bridal stuff. Let me tell you a little bit about that. Did you know that Hobby Lobby is one of the largest suppliers of wedding craft materials in the United States, with entire aisles dedicated to faux flowers, lace, and decor? Sewing fun fact, my friends, a straight sewing pen was one of the earliest machine-produced metal objects in the United States, a direct ancestor of what you still buy today at Hobby Lobby. And holiday craze. Well, my friends, Hobby Lobby is very famous for putting out Christmas decorations in July, sometimes earlier, which has become a running joke among shoppers. And we're going to show you lots of that today. And also share a fun fact with you. The average crafter keeps more buttons than they will ever use. Yet, we still buy more. Hobby Lobby stocks thousands of styles of buttons. And fabric yardage math. Quilters joke that whoever dies with the most fabric wins. Well, Hobby Lobby sells fabric in half yards, whole yards, get as much as you want off the bolt, fueling stashes everywhere. And coupon collectors, I know I was one of you too. For decades, Hobby Lobby offered that legendary 40% off one item coupon, which I loved, you loved, we all loved. They discontinued it back in 2021. I cannot believe it was that long ago. But of course, that sparked national outrage in the crafting world. Well, let's get back to Hobby Lobby and David Green. By the 1980s, Hobby Lobby began expanding across multiple states, eventually becoming a nationwide chain. Can you believe that was only 45 years ago? Crazy, right? Well, ownership then and now, the company has always been privately owned by the Green family. David Green founded it, and today his son, Steve Green, serves as president. So maybe that's why some people actually dislike Hobby Lobby. It can be very controversial. It has his viewpoint in mind. He runs it. He owns it. The company has been the center of debates over religious and political issues, including refusing to provide certain employee health coverages under the Affordable Care Act. See the court case from 2014, Burwell versus Hobby Lobby. Also, of course, Hobby Lobby has been criticized for its being closed on Sunday, where some of us find it inconvenient, but we understand it when we know he just feels that strongly about it. And hey, I love Chick-fil-A too, and they're always closed on Sundays. But Hobby Lobby was also criticized for importing artifacts, including illegally obtained antiquities for the Museum of the Bible. So again, there's questions and, of course, disputes over LGBTQ rights, plus rights. So there's issues on the pros and the cons. And of course, we hated that they got rid of the 40% off coupon. But why do we love Hobby Lobby? Well, my friends, it's selection. It's a wide selection. It's a one-stop shop for crafts, home decor. And yes, I'm not as much into buying finished home decor as I am in making it. But I will tell you, they have such variety, such beautiful new themes. If there's a new theme out, they're going to be one of the first to carry it. And they also have a wide selection of fabrics, seasonal items, and art supplies. And because of the beliefs of the Green family, they never carry anything to do with Halloween. I can't tell you how many years that has stumped me. But no, they don't believe in Halloween. They do believe in Christmas. And look at these beautiful art supplies. So many different kinds. Can you imagine getting even a piece of this in that 300 square foot store he first opened? Crazy. And you know what? Seasonal decor. Shoppers love browsing theme displays for every holiday. This is where we go to get inspired. I go to get inspired. Just walking down the aisles, I'm going to find something that I really want to add to my repertoire that is just so incredible and I cannot pass up. And art is what this place is all about. Art, 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 art. Look at this. Reasonable prices, too. I really love paper. My kids both are a little bit novice artists. And I like doing them to jot out ideas and sketches and just really try to have fun, be creative, let loose a bit. I love the large selection that Hobby Lobby offers here, and they also offer all kind of different art boards for professional artists, for students in college. These are really great for the different mediums, the different weights. So whatever you're looking for, Hobby Lobby seems to be the one place that is now a household name and a craft store in most big cities that you can get art supplies of just about any kind. I do have an artist that's a neighbor, and he gets most of his online. So, of course, you can get your materials online, or if you can make it into a Hobby Lobby store, like every other week, you might be able to walk into a little bit of a clearance, maybe a sale, and pick up some discounted, first-rate art supplies. And then the foam boards, I use a foam board in between one of my sewing machines and the bed, makes a great table. And toys, look at this, 40% off of all of their puzzles. And look at this, an entire aisle of puzzles. The other side, you have professional cars for different racetracks, all kind of toys for both the hobbyist, for the expensive racetracks, as well as then you go into the children's. Now look at this, $17.99 for a multi-pack, 6 t-shirts. So this would be great just if you need some t-shirts, a really great price, everyday price on these. Or if you want to use one of the silhouette machines or other machines to put iron-on transfers, designs, on them, paints of every kind imaginable. What do you do, my friend? What is your art passion? What kind of art do you like to play with? And look at these clearance, just on the aisles, not expecting them. They've got at least 1, 2, 3 different places in the store with clearance, and now we're finding them in the aisles. So you never know what you're going to find in Hobby Lobby. So even if you're not looking for a specific art project, I do recommend walking through the aisles. Look at this, a great screen board. It's on clearance here. What does that say? $14, I think, normally $47. I use those for making paper. And stencils. Stencils are great for paint on fabric even. So no matter how you use your stencils, these, if you can get them on clearance, my friends, you cannot beat these prices. This is amazing. And we're just going to use some spray glue medium, spray it onto the fabric, lay these down. We can paint right on top of them. Absolutely amazing treasures right here. So hit that comment button. Let me know how you use stencils. Let me know what craft you're into. I would love to hear it. And looks like leather down here. Let's take a look at their leather as well. But paints of every kind, brushes of every kind for every medium. We know each medium requires a different kind of paintbrush. So if you're a professional, if you're an artist, you know that. And look at these beautiful fringes, beautiful ideas for keychains, wristbands, pouches. Look at that. A little line for your hat with a bow on it, sandals, shoes, wallets. Wow, this is amazing. And again, just come to Hobby Lobby, get some inspiration. You don't know what you're going to walk into. And here we go. Absolutely wonderful. 40% off of everything labeled the Paper Studio. And they have the Paper Studio papers. Now, whether they're white lined inside or solid color through, read the top. Whether you're looking for paper, you're looking for cardstock, you're looking for scrap, you're looking to do collages, junk journals, scrapbooking, whatever paper product, your paper creation, paper craft you're looking for, Hobby Lobby has some inspirational colors with different textures, different kinds that you might just be interested in. $19.99, 40% off. It's not too shabby, right? And look at these kits up here. They are labeled the Paper Studio as well. So yes, my friends, they are 40% off as well. And look at this. Stickers, 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 flowers, emblems. Now, these are, I love the Holtz, but they're not on sale right now. I love paper crafts and scrapbooking. It's kind of like looking at candy. We have cardstock, scrapbook paper, pattern pack, stickers, embellishment, washi tape. Love these washi tape. Stamps, ink pads, embossing powders, flowers, paper flowers, fabric flowers, different cutouts, die cut machines and tools, and lots of die cuts. There's circuit machines, Sizzix machines, and lots of different ephemera that we can put in our junk journals and in our scrapbooks. We can make cards. And they have all the envelopes. They have all the cards. Everything. Home decor and DIY products. They have the unfinished wood, boxes, frames, letters, furniture pieces. There's chalkboards and corkboards, mason jars, glass bottles, and storage tins, decorative knobs, hooks, small furniture accents, stickers galore. Look at these accents. We can put these in the junk journals, put these to highlight in our diaries. There's also kids' crafts and school projects, foam sheets, felt, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, craft sticks, pom-poms, and feathers, paint sets, modeling clay, Play-Doh alternatives, science fair, and school project supplies. I love 40% off. Look at all this. 40% off. Amazing options. Puffy stickers and textures. So incredible, much fun. So anything you want, model cars, planes, ships, craft paints, models, woodworking kits, puzzle boards, paper crafting. Look at this, the iron-on transfer paper, the vinyl transfer paper. Absolutely incredible. Anything and everything, shiny, glossy, clear with tint. Amazing choices and selections for all of the newest craft tools out there. Just absolutely amazing to be so crafty, so DIY, and $4.99. These things came out as $7.99, $9.99, $8.99, and now $4.99 we can pick them up. Look it, we can make banners, we can decorate aprons and purses. So much wonderful craft inspiration just walking through Hobby Lobby. And whose house doesn't need another pick-me-up with Christmas? Pick up a couple of now. And as you know, Hobby Lobby starts early. And yes, my friends, it is filling up with Christmas. And don't forget your yarn and needle arts. I don't know that I walked by that aisle, but yarn, all weights, all colors, all textures of yarn, crochet hooks, needle knitting needles, cross-stitch kits, embroidery supplies, macrame cords and projects. Pick up more frames for the house. They even have the kitchen towels, and look at this wonderful artwork. I am sure you have a place in your home just waiting. And thanks so much for joining me on this journey. Y'all have a great day.